Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ali Rahmat. I am from Research Center for Limnology and Water Research. Today, I want to present some of my research with the title Chemical Properties of the Coconut Lubber Sawdust Biochar using X-ray fluorescence under low temperature pyrolysis. Indonesia is agriculture country, which is in the agriculture activity will produce a lot of the residues. For example, branch, stem, small tree, wood chips, sawdust powder, which is all of them is the major source of the biomass. Wood sawdust is the biomass industrial waste that is created by the furniture industry and other wood processing business. Wood is chopping, sizing, resound, smooth, which is producing the sawdust. From the 100 kg of wood, will produce at least 12 until 25 kg of sawdust. In this slide, we can see the picture of the coconut timber of lumber, which is will be processing for the furniture and will produce the sawdust, where abundance of the sawdust, the wind which frequently blow and suspend the wood dust in the atmosphere and will impact on the air quality. The air pollution will make a problem on the human respiratory. So we need a solution to minimize this problem and this risk. One of the strategies to control this problem is converting the sawdust to be biochar, where biochar have the lot of the advantage for the soil improvement. What is biochar? Biochar is charcoal resulting from the heating of the biomass in oxygen-limited environment. In this picture, we can see the charcoal from the various type of the source of biochar. Why biochar? Biochar is 2000-year-old practice that convert agricultural waste to soil enhancer, which is can hold the carbon, increase the food security, and discourage deforestation. Biochar can be important tools to increase the food security, cropland diversity in the area with severely depleted soil, scarce organic source, and inadequate water and chemical fertilizer supplies. Also, biochar is the powerful, simple tools to combat climate change. So the benefit of the biochar is are enhance the productivity of farmlands, achieve environmental friendly agriculture, organic agriculture, sustainable carbon sequestration, rural promotion, and environmental friendly education. So biochar, the quality of the biochar depend on the raw material and the process of the pyrolysis. So the purpose of this research is to investigate the chemical properties of the coconut lubber sawdust derived biochar under different temperature of pyrolysis. The methods. So the raw material will be furnace in the furnace for 4 hours. After that, we can see the next is the carb already be biochar and we ground and sieving. After that, we will analyze using XRF. Result. From the analysis of the XRF, we can see the highest content of the coconut wood sawdust biochar if the Fa or iron, which is around 49 until 50%. After that, silica, and then aluminum, and then calcium, kalium, and phosphate. So if we see the content of the biochar, the is questionable because this is questionable. It is potential or not if we apply the biochar in the soil because the concentration of the Fa is quite high, where Fa is micronutrient, but if we give a lot of Fa will be toxic to the plant or the crops and maybe for the environment. So the the composition of the Fa and Se also Rl also is the toxic element if the concentration too high, even though the calcium, kalium, and phosphate is the macronutrient which is needed for the growth of the plant. I think from this research we can use the biochar as another material maybe for the concrete or other material which is need a lot of the Fa and Se for the main material. So the conclusion, the highest content in the term of the macronutrient of biochar is calcium around 7 until 12%, then potassium around 4 until 5%, phosphorus around 1 until 2%. However, the concentration of Fa is high, around 46 until 50. Also, silica, L is 8 until 10%. It can be toxic if applied to the soil. On the other hand, coconut liver soda can be source of the silica due to the silica content being quite high, like 19 until 20%. Maybe will be used as the nanosilica or other material. And thank you for your attention. I am Isali Rahmat from the Research Center of the Limnology, graduate from the Gifu University and currently research in soil and water conservation. And now I research utilize the agriculture waste to improve the soil quality and also to improve the water condition. Thank you very much.